So
this one's really
I don't be the money fine woman. Okay, they will assignment. Okay. Next question. Name the two major political parties in United States of America.
Yeah.
Name the two major political parties there.
Democrats.
Where? Do you know? The two major political parties.
The Republicans or the Democrats?
Thank you very much. 20 points. Only I'm gonna go over steady with Joy Federal and Nigeria. You buy your guy. Next question. Nigeria's senior male national team is called the Super Eagles of here. The female.
Falcons.
What Falcon?
Good Falcon.
I'm trying to remember.
Next
I
question.
think it's Star Falcons.
Star Falcons.
Henneken Falcon.
Star Falcons.
Star Falcons -5.
Super Falcons.
Thank you very much. Call her. That's not Star Falcons. Okay. Nigeria, we are so exceptional in the FIFA Women's Senior World Cup earlier this year in Australia and New Zealand. They defeated Australia in the group stage 3-2. They had a 0-0 draw with the Republic of Ireland. They came to the elimination stages. They lost on penalties to which country?
England.
Thank you! Where are you from? Okay. Next question. Who won? You scored 20. Who won that particular FIFA Women's World Cup in Australia and New Zealand? All of us saw the competition. They defeated England in the finals. Which country was that? Don't do that. Which country defeated England to win FIFA Women's World Cup in 2023 in New Zealand, Australia? Where?
Spain.
Thank you! How come? Next question. Listen. Next question. What is the name of Abuja Airport? You are correct, 20 points.
Random.
Billionaire Chief Dan Obajaka established one of the biggest, richest, most successful transportation company in Igbo land. What is the name of that What is the name of that company?
The Young Shop.
Christmas.
Christmas -10 points.
Maduka is the Young
Gio -10 points. Who knows? -10 points. Dan Obajaka established which transport company? Moto.
Romchi.
Romchi -10 points. -10 points.
God is good.
-10 points. Who knows the chief Dan Obajaka before? What is the name of the transport? Okay. Nigeria, some of us do not know that before independence, Nigeria was so great. Nigerian naira is equivalent to British pounds. When you are out of school, you get a job and get a car. Along the line, some political criminals mismanaged Nigeria, and a coup was plotted and executed. The January 15th, 1966, history of Nigeria. Which two people were appointed to be architects of that coup? Both of them are Igbo young soldiers. Who are there? No, -10 points. Who are the two soldiers, young soldiers, accused of plotting and executing January 15, 1966 coup? Who are there? You have to know them. before you answer. Who? And if you mention one, I'll give you 10 points.
Kaduna Nzo.
Chukwuma Kaduna Nzogo, 10 points. Who is the second one? Onye Onitsha, a sprinter, an athlete. Just no, you don't know to know the phone.
Ifechukwu count.
Ifechukwu, you know. You are close, not Ifechukwu. You can try. If you answer this one, 30 points. Chukwuma Kaduna Nzogo is an Igbo man, but he was born in the north. Him and also I'm working at Kano, about the Kafaro Kano. Mohammed Kaduna, Abaronya Kaduna. So who is the second young soldier? Who? Emmanuel Ifajona, 30 points. 3 more questions and we decide the winner immediately. Okay. Where is the capital city of Japan? Where?
Tokyo.
Correct. Score her. Give her 20. Mention any 3 cities in China. China.
Hong Kong.
What is there a city in China?
Isn't it?
Hong Kong is
Mention a proper city.
Wuhan.
Correct.
Can I spell it?
Mention.
I don't have to pronounce it.
Okay.
Can I spell it?
If you can spell, you can attempt. Attempt.
Yemen.
Yemen. Yemen. Minus 5 points. Gonzo. Guangzhou. 1. Okay, what? Who? Only try here. 3 cities in China. Goan is where?
Is the former military president.
Where? Rowan. There's no Rowan in China. 3 cities in China.
Beijing.
Capital.
Go ahead.
Beijing, then the Beijing.
Yeah.
And then Beijing, there's W-E-I-J-E.
No. You want to try? Unamara Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan of COVID-19. Chengdu. Beijing is the capital city of China, but the final city in China is Shanghai. Which Turkish city is the most famous?
Istanbul.
Correct, 20 points. For 50 points, where is the capital city of Turkey?
Istanbul.
No. Don't the doctor. Turkey, capital city is not Istanbul. Most times or sometimes, chief city is not capital city. Washington is not even among the top 3 known cities in America, but it's the capital. Talk about popular states in America. You talk about California, Texas, New York, even Ohio, Florida. You don't know? Okay, will you be a former governor of Anambra State is called Aboko Odiko. Immediate past governor of Enugu State is called Buruburu. Presidential hopeful Peter Obi is called who? Ndigbo. Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Chukwu is called what? Ikemba Ndigbo, 20 points. The last question before you go. The scores are right. Look at them. Don't make mistake. For 200,000. The last question is for 300 points. So you need to be correct. Who is Ifeanyi Chiechine? 300 points. Have you heard the name Ifeanyi Chiechine before? Those with Google, type Ifeanyi Chiechine.
It's my ex.
You've not heard Ifeanyi Chiechine before? I will change it. But for the sake of knowledge, Ifeanyi Chiechine played FIFA Women's World Cup for Nigeria at the age of 16.
Yeah.
In 2017, she was sick, no money, and she died at home. Her elder sister women's football, and Chiechine. She played for Super Falcons in the World Cup in 2001 in Canada. Goes to 3. Ronaldo de Lima's younger sister scored a free kick. Messi Akide played. What is her name? Patience Afre played. Morino Mari played. Kikelo. Kono Maka Kikelo Majai. It's about knowledge. The last question. Number 2 is the winner. No! Objection. She is upheld. Come. 7.
Can we have one more chair, please?
Hagas.
You call this man out.
Put your the cash.
Okay, wait behind.
As a number singer, no one. Successful 100 men are my groomsmen. And some of them took no chance. Question number 1.
Economy.
I will allow you to use phone. Use your Google. Wait.
Hold on.
I will ask them, wait. I will ask them something difficult. Fastest finger. I will do for women. Use your Google. It's not working. Now, somebody with phone, but you have to go and prepare yourself. Somebody with phone, come and say it.
You can still download them online.
Please, use your phone. Let me see.
Now,
Okay. Use your phone. Quick. Are we ready? Your Googles are working. Your internet connection is perfect. Question number 1.
Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on.
Thank you very much. I'm going to bring him. He should wait for me. I'm a Christmas present. And all rice. That's no money is an area number to go. They are going to bring it. Yes. 50 kg bag of rice from Coal City. I'm going to do official presentation. Question number 1, use your phone. Use your phone. In 1989, Nigeria tried to play the World Cup for the first time, but there was a very difficult game to play. It was against Angola. Listen.
Hold on, please.
A youth who may prosper teaching the father and a one historical fact to pay attention. Either you are recording or jotting, it's your Baluguru. Nigeria needed to beat Angola in Lagos and go to Yaoundé and beat Cameroon. In that game, August 12th of 1989, inside the main bowl in Lagos, Sam Okpara died. But Nigeria won that game 1-0. They went to Cameroon and lost. And in 1994, Nigeria went to FIFA Senior World Cup for the first time. Who scored Nigeria's first FIFA World Cup goal and against which country? Use your phone. What copy is either? Konye your first goal against who Konye the goal? Don't raise your hand. Please use your phone.
5, 4, 3.
Who knows it?
2, 1.
Against who? Istanbul.
Against no.
Minus 10 points.
Minus 10 points.
The first goal was against who? Scored by who? Against Bulgaria, scored by who? Rashidi Yakini. Istanbul. This one a handsome and brain. When you answer the phone, you have that browser. What our problem? Question number 2. 30 points. Question number 2. In 1993.
Are they using their phone?
Yeah, use your phone. In 1993, Nigeria's under-17 team went to a certain country and they won the World Cup. Kanu Nwankwo was in the team. I think Karibo Ojigwe Winston Oruma, Celestin Babayaro, Mopi Okpara. Which nation hosted FIFA Under-17 World Cup in 1993?
China.
Ghana minus 10. China minus 10. Japan 30 points. What did you type to find Ghana? It's for the problem. How can you fail with who? Which country hosted? Japan. All you need is to do is keyword. Under-17 World Cup 93. You don't need to write 1990. Just write 93. Pop down, Japan. Next question. A certain American president after the war, the world was in depression due to the effects, after the effects of the war. That particular American, he was so poor that when he left office, Oje na Bendo Diana Missouri Jebili, he has the power to take money, but he said people are priority. Who is that American president?
Hello?
5.
I think Eisenhower came into office and gave him some money.
4.
Who is that?
John F. Kennedy.
Minus 10.
Harry S. Truman.
Harry Truman! He was considered the poorest president in the world. He was very poor, not because there is no money, but he said, my people are suffering in Montevideo. What is the essence of living luxury?
5.
What is the name?
4. Mojica.
Mojica, he's correct, 30 points. Who shows the cash? Next question. Keep your phone. Keep your phone now. Let's go to business. Don't touch. If anybody touches phone, take 10 points. Yes, anyway. Next question. 2 days ago, listen, about 50 hours ago, a certain football club in Brazil won Brazilian league. What is the name of that football club? Brazilian
For education.
not education. You know, who won Brazilian league 2 days ago for 50 points? Who won Brazilian league? Who won? Palmeiras. In English, it means palm tree. That's what it means in English. Okay. Last month, a Brazilian, listen and learn. A Brazilian listen. What they call Champions League in South America is CONMEBOL. That is the equivalent of UEFA Champions League. In Africa, we say CAF Champions League. In North America, we say CONCACAF. In Asia, we say AFC. Last month, a Brazilian football club won South American Champions League. What is the name of that football club? They play their home game in Maracana, Rio de Janeiro. What is the name?
Flamingo.
Not Flamengo. Minus 10 points. Crucious. Who won South American Champions League? They play their home game in Maracana. I will mention some of their players for you. Fabio, the goalkeeper. They have Nino. They have Zaki. They have Marcelo of Real Madrid playing at the left back. They have Arias John from Colombia, signed from Atletico Nacional. What is the name of that football club? What is the name? Their coach is the coach of Brazilian national team. Coaching Brazilian national team and that football club at the same time. What is the name? Fluminense. Fluminense. Okay. Next question. Next question. A certain president openly, heavily supported Biafra during the war. His name is Kenneth Kaunda. Kenneth Kaunda is the former president of which country? Give him. Kenneth Kaunda. Which country is that? You don't know. Don't lose points if you don't know. Which country?
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, minus 10. Good shot.
Haiti.
Haiti, minus 10 points. African country. Yes, Africa. Haiti supported, but Kaunda is not the president.
Zambia.
Zambia! 30 points. Gabon, minus 10 points. A certain president also from Africa supported Biafra against Nigerian aggression. Name of that president is President Julius Nyerere. Julius Nyerere served as the former president of which African country for 30 points? Julius Nyerere. Are you one historians ever? Julius Nyerere. Ivory Coast, minus 10 points. Julius Nyerere, don't shoot yourself. Are you sure? You don't know. Keep it. Istanbul. No, only in Istanbul in this never happened. Oh,
Tanzania.
Tanzania and the island of Zanzibar, correct. 30 points. Three more questions. Please go back a little. Don't be reason why the wrong person win the prize and the right person will go. Little ingredients may be if you know, if you have a principle of life, I don't need to preach you. Allow the will of God and who is best to emerge. No phone, Istanbul. Only phone yalla ring. Who hosted FIFA Senior World Cup in 1986? Which country hosted FIFA Senior World Cup in 86? Where? It was won by Diego Armando Maradona in Argentina. In which country? Who hosted FIFA World Cup 86? You know. The answer is Mexico. Next question. For 50 points. Olympics. In 1996, it was Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Nigeria won football male category. In 2000, Sydney Olympics hosted. In 2004, Athens, Greece hosted. In 2008, it was Beijing, China. In 2012, it was London Olympics. In 2016, which city of the world hosted Olympics?
Brazil.
Which city?
Rio de Janeiro.
Correct, 50 points. Remaining 2. Finals of Olympic Games in 2016. Before then, it was the only football title. They defeated a certain country via penalties. Let me not share too much. What's the name of that country? John Obi Mikel, they were there. That nation played for Cologne then. His name is Timo Werner. He was in goal. Germany. They went to the finals against Brazil and they lost in penalties. Neymar Jr. He scored and he started crying. 2 more questions. 1 more. 2 more. Before I go, it's the last one.
Tell us where you are watching us live around the world. This is Okwulora quiz. We are people with
Audi is a German product. In which German city is the headquarters of Audi situated? Mercedes is in Ingolstadt. Where is Audi? Istanbul, minus 10 points. Should I give you options? Don't answer until I tell you to answer. Any correct answer will not you. City 1, München. City 2, Darmstadt. City 3, Heidenheim. City 4, Wiesbaden. City 5, Ingolstadt. City 6, Dortmund. City 7, Aachen. City 8, Allen. City 10, Osnabrück.
Ingolstadt.
Ingolstadt! Who shows the catch? I don't forget. I can't solve everyone. These last two questions is for 100 points each. I want a breaker. The last two questions before I'll come down the stage. For 200,000. I think in 2014, a certain Brazilian football club, they are currently in Serie B. Name of that football club, listen, you learn. Name of that football club is Chapecoense. They qualified for the finals of what they call Copa Sudamericana. In Europe, they say Europa League. They were going for a finals against a football club called Atlético Nacional, formerly known by drug lord Pablo Escobar. And their plane crashed. Everybody died except two players. One of them is Alan Luchel. In which country were they traveling to?
They were traveling to where the plane crashed. Colombia.
You are correct. 100 points. More one. More one for 100 points. Okay. The last question. The last question for the winner. Can we hand out now? This is for 200 points. 2 months ago, a certain Japanese football club defeated Al Hilal of Saudi Arabia to win Asian Champions League. Turn your phone, Istanbul, turn it upside down. What is name of that Japanese football club? The current holders of Asian Champions League, 200 points. Asian Champions League, what is the name of that football club?
Okinawa.
Okinawa, minus 10 points.
Wolawe also. Wolawe, yeah.
Wolawe, minus 10 points. A Japanese football club defeated Al Hilal. Wolawe. Are you sure? Wolawe. Minus 10 points. Minus 10 points. A football club in Japan defeated Al Hilal to win Asian Champions League. Holawa. Holawa. No Holawa. Who?
Olawe.
Holawe.
Olawe.
Holawe. Minus 10, minus 10. Are you sure, Kushos? Sure. What is the name?
Olawa.
Holawa.
Olawa.
Oh, Holawa, that's good. Pronunciation issue. You need to be correct. Pronounce it. Where?
Al Ali.
Minus 20.
Olawa.
Holawa, no. Spell it. No, please, I don't like it. No, Holawa. Last question. Tell Istanbul to turn his phone upside down. Turn it upside down. Let me give you the last question.
200.
The last question for 200,000. 200,000. It's a lot of money. The last question. What do I answer? The last question. Which German city is considered German Manhattan due to tall buildings there? German Manhattan. Frankfurt. 100 points. Bring the result. Before I come down. Number 6, 140. Who shows the cash? 140. How many? 30. Istanbul. Istanbul is 20. I saw 10. Number 3, how many? 110. Number 3. 0. My number 2. Minus 20. Only 80. 90. So, should we announce a winner or take a 3 to go to finals? So, who shows to the cash is the winner? Thank you very much. Okay, 50,000.